We had a leak. My boss called, dragged me in because we had to intervene.
But no way you're fucked, right?
Jackie, if you work in Arasaka counter intel, you're always fucked.
Take this.
A data shard.
Use it, and make sure Abernathy won't be a problem anymore.
What'll happen if I refuse?
This isn't a request, V.
Need your help, Jack. Got some biz.
You in some trouble?
Not yet. Just need a soul I can trust for now.
Meet me at Lizzie's. Be there in an hour.
Welcome to Lizzie's.
This ain't no delicate situation, Hermana. It's a hit job. Plain and simple.
You know how Arasaka operates.
Today, they got you to zero somebody. Tomorrow, they'll get somebody else to zero you.
Jenkins assigned you a task today. You'll share all the details with us.
Fuck!
How you feeling? Pretty sharp dive, huh? In 2 minutes, any company cybernetics in your possession will cease functioning.
I think you fellas might have forgotten just how far from home you are.
We have what we came for. It'll do for now.
That'd be that, Jack. Just lost control of my life.
I'd say you got it back. V! V! Your new life. It starts now. I think I might have bagged us a sweet-ass J.O.B.
Go on.
Maybe it's not as big as that, but... just that it's fronted by a little-known someone named Dexter Deshawn. Only the top fixer in Night fucking City!
Hey, V. Dr. Vector will see you now.
Got a job from Dex Deshawn. Hitting the major leagues. Need tech that can perform.
The Dexter Deshawn? Well, that is something.
I'm ready. Carve away.
Play that major league arm of yours right here.
If you had one shot...
Go on, kid.
or one opportunity...
Show them what you're made of.
to seize everything you ever wanted...
And once you hit the big leagues, don't forget where you came from.
in one moment, would you capture it? Or just let it slip?
Listen close. Scanning a serious job now.
What's the job?
There's this prototype tech. A biochip, to be precise.
Guessing it belongs to a corp?
Arasaka.
NC's Arasaka's turf. Nobody fucks with them here.
What can I say, Miss V? High risk, high reward.
You work this out? Got a plan?
Two things. First, a conundrum with the Maelstrom boys. Second, a rendezvous. Client who brought us the job's anxious. She wants to parlay with one of the team. Woman's name's Evelyn Parker.
Your target. I trust you know what it is.
Relic. Secure your soul trinket.
The chip is tucked away inside Konpeki Plaza, the hotel. The room's occupied by Yorinobu Arasaka. Got something for you. Should help you plan. Brain dance from Konpeki Plaza.
Hey, Judy.
What do you think? Will it do?
Still pretty raw, but yeah, ought to do. How about it, V? Raw brain dance.
Manual details a special temp-controlled container. Relic needs to be kept real cool.
Yorinobu's got the case here. Guaranteed.
We got it. Good work.
What's the issue needs resolving with Maelstrom?
Psycho gang from this thing 2 weeks back jumped a Militech convoy, and I need that bit of opportunity. Because if we don't get that bot, we don't get no soccer chip.
You want the flathead? I better see some eddies.
Success is my only motherfucking option. Failure's not.
You'll pay twice, because I say you'll pay twice.
Ben.
I love this town. A city of endless opportunity.
We'll talk about the rest at the afterlife.
Afterlife? Here we come, baby. The heart of Night City. That's it right there. Beating. Hear it? You see that old lady there? That's Rogue. Best fixer in all of Night City.
So you know the target. Yorinobu Arasaka, the Emperor's son and heir apparent.
Mm-hmm.
How about we go over the plan? What you got for us, Dex?
A Delamain will drop your asses at the front door of Konpeki Plaza. You'll stroll right in thanks to your false identities. Then, with Bug's help, you'll breach the hotel subnet.
Mine and the Flathead's help.
All clear to me.
Perfect.
Welcome on board this Delamain service. With Delamain, you leave your problems at the door.
This is how you want to cruise into the major leagues.
Wouldn't get overly excited.
Yokoso. Greetings and welcome to Konpeki Plaza.
Pretty snazzy. Too bad we ain't staying the night.
Now you fire up the Flathead and find the shaft entrance.
Dwellers inside.
Just as planned.
Still weird the hotel's only got one runner.
Neutralize them. In-house security is neutralized.
Perfecto. Let's start the show. Not bad being heir to the Arasaka Empire.
Guys, focus. The safe.
We got winged visitors. Bug.
Don't know who, but staff's abuzz. All 200 on their feet can't keep still. Shit, Yorinobu's penthouse bound.
Fuck him! Open the safe!
Done.
Preem.
Fuck, too late. Yorinobu's about to walk in. Find cover.
You fucking kidding? I thought Atom Smasher.
Bodyguard.
Worse. Night City legend.
Are they here yet?
They approach from the landing pad?
Fuck are they talking about?
Bucko, we got incoming.
Nuh-uh. No fucking way. Saburo Arasaka.
The Emperor.
これまでお前の愚行には目をつぶってきた。だがそれもここまでだ。この裏切りだけは決して許せん。
Oh shit.
これでもう誰のことも許す必要はない。
I wish to put the hotel on lockdown. Saburo Arasaka has been murdered.
Code Red initiated.
Oh my god, we're so fucked.
Bug, need you to get us out of here, now!
I've been made!
Bug! Fucking major leagues! Happy now, Jackie!
Biochip integrity at 94%.
One of you's gotta slot the relic into your neural.
Biochip. Hold on to it. For me.
Mr. Deshawn awaits you in room number 204.
See you in the major leagues, Jack.
We return to this week's biggest story. The murder of Arasaka Corporation CEO, Saburo Arasaka.
Let me...
You got any notion of the shit you pulled me into? You off the fucking Emperor! Anyone with so much as a pinky toe dipped in this mess is as good as dead!
You're the one who got us into this mess!
Can't risk it, V. Remember our first convo? Seems I've chosen the
Wow.